Hello, my name is Haley Engel, and I chose to do option 2 for this week's discussion. According to the intersection of digital and media literacy, the definition of what we should be doing with technology is preparing the students for 21st century skills that are needed for living and working in media and information-rich societies. This leads me to this slide. This slide has all of the different elements of what we are supposed to teach the students. I am currently a third grade teacher, and so because of that, I have kind of a unique perspective of technology. My students from K through 2 have iPads, and they actually do not use these iPads that often. This means that when they get to third grade, we have laptops starting in third grade. They don't even know how to turn on their laptop. They don't know how to type, none of that. So because of this, I feel like I do a very good job at touching each of these a little bit. This kind of leads me to my second point, which is something I can do better on. I do believe that all teachers can improve on things like plagiarism, things like helping the students figure out what a good source is. However, I feel like for me, I can really improve on honing in on particulars of the elements. I feel like I do a good job at touching multiple of them very shortly. But again, plagiarism, I touch on, I can go in further depth on. So that is what I feel like I can improve on. Thank you for watching my video.